Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make granola with instant oats. No oil, no oven. We are going to make stovetop granola mix, and this is a basic recipe. You can change it as per, you can add what you like. So here I am using cast iron, so you have to adjust the heat. So add oats to it and roast it on a low flame. And instant oats doesn't take much time to roast. So now we are going to roast it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add nuts. So here I've taken almonds and I'm going to add walnuts. You can add nuts of your choice, any seeds if you like. If the nuts are roasted, then you don't have to worry about roasting it again. So these are not roasted, but I don't like too much roasted, so I'm adding at this point. I'm also going to add pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are very healthy. You can add peanuts, pistachio, any nuts and seeds as per your choice, and every time I make it is different. I use different combination. So I'm going to roast it. Oats take about 3 to 4 minutes to roast completely, but the best way is to check for crunchiness by tasting it, because it depends on your pan, it depends on the type of the quality of the oats. So I always try to taste it a little bit. So it's almost crunchy. So when it's crunchy, I'm going to add cinnamon powder, and you can add vanilla extract also a little bit if you want. So I like the cinnamon powder. You can add a pinch of salt, but I'm adding jaggery, so that's why I'm avoiding salt. So you can add, if you're using jaggery, grate the jaggery or powdered jaggery. You can use coconut sugar, palm sugar, anything you like. So after you add jaggery, make sure the gas is on low, and jaggery will start melting and it will form the clusters. So you will have oats clusters in between when you're having this granolas. It's really good. Same thing what you get outside in the package in the supermarket. So now it's changing the color. Jaggery has melted. It smells awesome. And if you are adding any fruits, then we are not going to add when your flame is on. So now I'm going to add raisins, but I'm going to put off the gas stove and add raisins. I want to puff the raisins slightly. So now when this granola is hot enough, I'm going to add raisins so it will be puffed exactly the way I want. So any raisins, fruits you add when they are done. So you can store this in an airtight container up to 1 month, and make sure it's cooled down completely before you store it in the airtight container. It's very healthy, and you can make different combinations as per your choice. Please post any comments you may have, and please subscribe Narisaki for more videos. Thank you.